Hot take. One of the best ways to understand modes is to play every mode starting on the same note with a drone. Because a lot of times people confuse it. They think that going up the major scale positions equals modes, but that's technically the same scale, and a drone would prove that. But if we start those same patterns and shapes on the same note, now you'd start to dabble into the world of understanding modes. Because all you got to do is compare that drone, that tonal center, to the intervals above it and how they impact it.